Tata Sons chief Natarajan Chandrasekaran has been appointed the chairman of Air India. Chandrasekaran was reappointed Tata Sons executive chairperson in February for another 5 years. Earlier this month, Ilkar Aichi had declined Tata Group's offer to lead the airline, citing attempts to paint his appointment with undesirable colours. My appointment as CEO of Air India within Tata Group was announced earlier in February with a start date of April 1st. Since the announcement, I have been sadly following news in some sections of the media attempting to colour my appointment with undesirable colours, Aichi had said in a statement. The BJP will form governments in the 4 states it won in the recently concluded elections after Holi, that is March 18th, sources quoted by reports said today. Chief Ministers for Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Goa and Manipur will reportedly be chosen after the festival. Senior party leaders have been appointed as observers for the 4 states. Home Minister Amit Shah and former Jharkhand Chief Minister Raghubar Das have been appointed for UP, a statement from the party read. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and Minister of State for Foreign Affairs Meenakshi Lekhi have been named for Uttarakhand. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman and Law Minister Kiran Rijiju have been given Manipur. Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar and Minister of State L. Murugan have been appointed to Goa. India's retail inflation surged to 6.07% in the month of February, over and above the Reserve Bank of India's threshold of 6%. Data released by the Ministry of Statistics and Programme Implementation showed today. The retail inflation, which is measured by the Consumer Price Index for the month of January, was 6.01%. The 4th round of Ukraine-Russia conflict talks are underway, the Kyiv negotiator has said, news agency AFP reported. Meanwhile, a Chinese foreign ministry spokesperson has said assertions from US officials that Russia asked Beijing for military equipment for its campaign in Ukraine were disinformation from the United States. The comments came during a regular Chinese foreign ministry briefing in Beijing, Reuters reported. Congress leader Shashi Tharoor lauded Prime Minister Narendra Modi, calling him a man of tremendous vigour and dynamism. He gave credit to Modi for the BJP's victory in the recently concluded Uttar Pradesh Assembly elections. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is a man of tremendous vigour and dynamism and has done some things which are very impressive, especially politically. We did not expect him to win with such great margins, but he did, Tharoor said while interacting with the press at the Jaipur Literature Festival.